Trevor here, giving you another tutorial on how to use a computer. Lesson 2, we are going to go to my computer. This is just a program, a standard program on every computer that has all your business files, games, and other things. Like on mine, let's go to program. I have a lot of things. These are mostly programs and games, like Valve, Steam, Garry's Mod, Counter-Strike, Half-Life 2, StarCraft, the old one. I don't know why we have Netscape. I never use that. We have Microsoft Works. We have the Movie Maker. Yeah. And yeah, that's a whole lot of things. If you don't want to go to program, you can go to other things like maybe downloads. If you download everything, documents and settings. These give you to set up your own personal account on your computer. Like mine. I don't really use mine. My favorites, eBay. That's pretty much it. My documents, Command and Conquer 0. Generals. Some pictures. I don't even know what they are. Don't look at them. And mostly that. There's also guest, all users, admin, HP admin, because we have, of course, the HP computer. It's fast. The default user, components. I don't really use it. Your user data, your documents for Adobe and everything else if you have Adobe. Sierra, yes, it's one of the best brands for video games. In my opinion, they have a lot of video games that you can play. So that's mostly it to my computer. I'll see you guys next time on my third lesson. See ya.